Good morning. I'm feeling very hungry, my friend. Can I get you some breakfast then? That will be so helpful of you, Ronald. My pleasure, sir. I'm feeling better now that I've eaten all my food. Wonderful. Would you like to rest for a while? Or do you need help with anything? I think I need some help getting into bed. Okay, before you do so, can you take your medication? Sure. Let's get you ready for bed. I'll help you with your nightgown. Let's get you comfortable. Take your time and let me know if you feel any discomfort. Do you need anything else before I leave? That is all for now.